Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing good. It has been a long month. Starting in March, and we're now coming in at the end of May, and June is round the corner. That's gonna be the last season of the tornado season of 2021. I hope everybody enjoyed the videos I posted with the lightning and the rotation and the war cloud and hail. But there is something. I was just spoken to my friend. He wanted to know where was the video I did when I was in that tornado on Easter Sunday last year. Apparently I lost that video, but I was told to go ahead and tell the story of what had actually happened. Me and my friend Tony, we was on our way to a friend's house. He lived between China Spring and Hillsborough. I'm sorry, in between. Yeah, I'm sitting in my car. This is my office. Anyway, what happened was, we went out there. He lived out in the country, and I was drinking. I was a little bit drunk, and anyway, what happened was around 1 o'clock in the morning, there was a thunderstorm coming in, and we was already in a tornado watch, and didn't know at the time with the wind. So I went outside and watched the lightning. You can see the lightning for miles and miles away. Especially living out in a country. Went outside, my lightning warning on my phone was going off, and I was outside on the back patio, and the wind was picking up, and I had it on the camera, and what happened next was the wind was picking up, and there was lamp lights, street lights on both sides of his house, and it was wrapping it round up. I mean, it was, I would say, a pretty good 20 yards away from me, or 100 yards. But you can see the rotation with the rain. The rain was heavy. I mean, the wind was so incredible I have ever witnessed. Bit of hay barrels flying around, twigs, you name it. Anything that a tornado sucked up, it was right in my face. But it was dark, and saw lightning and saw the funnel hit the ground before. It was the most wild night, and I will never ever forget the tornado Easter Sunday of 2020. It was like heart stopped, breath taken away. And it was what got me frightened and terrified was the wind. The wind was going this way in both different directions. I wish I had the video. I'm talking to my friend Tony to see if he got that video of it, and I'll be happy to pull it up on YouTube. But I have never ever witnessed. The only thing I can relate that wind was, you ever seen the movie The Never-Ending Story at the very last end with the wind and all? That's what it's like. I have never ever experienced electric transformer was flashing, not just one. It was like, guys, it was like a line of transformers blowing out, and realized there was a tornado on the ground. But it didn't came towards where I was. It was moving southeast of where I was. We was actually in a danger zone, outside of the danger zone. There was a lot of miscommunication with the emergency management. There was a miscommunication with the local weather station. But we was under a tornado warning. But I will never forget it, never. Anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. And if you enjoyed these videos, please give a thumb like. I'm looking forward to talk to you again. We do have another chance of thunderstorm, but hopefully this whole storm season of 2021, I hope you all enjoyed it. I know it's not enough. Gotta think about my safety. Doing storm chasing, doing videos, it's kind of fun if you know what you're doing, but it's frightening at the same time. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful day, evening, and